So I ordered some wild hyacinth from Prairie Moon Nursery, and it just arrived a couple days ago, and I'm finally opening them. And I am just gonna kind of look at the bulbs and share them with you. I'm excited to try them. I'm gonna plant them probably in this bed here, and I might save a few for our right-of-way. But wild hyacinth, there are, yeah, there's supposed to be 5 bulbs in here, and let's see what they look like. Okay, so you can see them on my my lovely knee here. They all have really good roots, except for one didn't have such great roots. This one looked a little bit iffy there. But all the others have great roots, and I'm going to get that one that fell in a minute. But I am excited to try these because I'm dropping some more here. I'm excited to try these because I have seen some great photos of Camassia before, and I've actually never seen them in person, which I would love to actually see them in person. But there are some prairies here in Texas that have some, and of course there's prairies up through the Midwest and some of the eastern areas of the United States that also have them. But they, yeah, Prairie Moon had a sale, and I was excited to try them, and yeah. So there they all are laid out, and I'm hoping that I'll have a nice bloom of them this spring. And actually, I think now that I've seen them, I think I'm going to plant them all in one bed instead of spreading them out. And hopefully everything will come up good, and I will update this video in the spring with beautiful blooms.